So hi everyone, today we have something exciting for you guys. This is the unboxing of a 60% wireless keyboard which is from Ant Esports, and this version is MK1500 Mini. So ये white color का है exactly, and this has a type C charging. Okay, this has a type C charging, and over the back you can see this has a, let's say this has a MRP quoted of 4,000 rupees, but on Flipkart sale you can find it somewhere around 1400 to 1700 rupees. So let's unbox this. So for you guys, okay, and then this one, here we go. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard. Here I get my user manual and warranty. This is our type C cable, which is gold plated, okay, and the quality is good. This is the type C and type A port over here, and here comes our keyboard itself. So let's take it out, and this is the keyboard. You can see how small is it. Here is the type C charging port which we get over here, and your serial number and some of the things are here. So you don't get any manual incline in this. It's a fixed incline. This is going to be fixed, okay, and as per me this is good, okay. And you don't get a separate num key, okay. So this is a 60% type of keyboard, and the keys are totally membrane, and just some silence so that you can listen the like say sound of this. Okay, so इसकी क्या खास बात है, like you need to charge it from here, and if you on this, then this is the thing. Let me switch off the lights and then you can see the effect. Now you can see how this keyboard looks, okay, just yeah. So this is the keyboard, okay, and if you press this FN plus brightness, you can decrease the brightness or you can also increase the brightness. You press the function, you can change the lighting mode for this keyboard, okay. Again you can change, so different lighting modes are there. And also if you press the FN and Z key, your Bluetooth system will on. So for me, I bought this keyboard for coding purposes and for typing purposes, and I find it's a very beautiful keyboard, a pure proper white color. You can see the quality of this keyboard, and it's super light. You can take it anywhere and then travel with this keyboard. It's wireless. You can connect this with your mobile devices, your laptop, Mac, Windows, or any Android TV as well. So this was a quick unboxing of Ant Esports MK1500 Wireless Pro. Okay, let me just turn on the studio lights again. So this was the quick unboxing for the MK1500 Mini, which is 16% Pro wireless gaming keyboard. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and like and share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.